Hi guys, I'm Boydie. I have Vlad and Nikki toy. Let's go open it and see what's inside. Ooh, cool green buggy. It can turn to anything. Take up.
Dili lagi basi mabali. Baby, buligan ta ka na oh. You cannot just pull it because we need scissors.
Okay. Okay.
Then stand up to nasa Christmas tree oh. Go to in front of Christmas tree and wear your slipper kay picturean ta ka. In here.
Okay. And 1 minute.
Pause mo vlog na cancel natin. Pause.
No, it will end.
Come here, Nick. Picturean ta kasi imo mo kay buksan mo na imo yan. Oh, stand there in front of the Christmas tree. Stand there in front of the Christmas tree. Hold your toy. Hold it here. Oh, ay na broken na. Oh, sige na. Stand there. I will take a picture of you. Go backward. Okay, 1, 2. Patay ka para i-get mo. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Smile na. Okay, 1, 2. Smile na, smile. Smile. Without the elevator, stand up there. Without stand up. Christmas hat. Hindi pa gana ha, para hindi ma-broken yung hat ha. Sige na.
Mommy, can you picture me?
Picture lang ka gani. Hindi. Stand backward. Backward. Okay, stand. 1, 2. Hindi na magamuna. Stand up lang. Hindi na magamuna. Kaya hindi na mo Christmas niya. Stand up lang Tata hindi na kami nami Sige na, tagloma ha. Okay. 1, 2. Kain sa buhok ko, di kayo kat-iskog. Okay. 1, 2. Smile. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Smile. Smile. Smile ka ta kamera ay. Di ka daan. Boden. Di ka boden na. Again. Stand up Stand up Sige, stand up. Go. Hide. Cover the Christmas tree. Go. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Smile. Hindi mo muna. Smile. Yeah. Smile. Vlog na to.
Okay. Nikki and the full flag. Mommy, can you put off this? I can get out this. I can get out.
Do you have scissors naman? Be. Yan naman. This is only the stand lang na iya. Ano yan? May surprise. Wow! Wow, there's a surprise bag. Ring mo ay. Ano ko show? There is a surprise bag. Oh, sige.
There's a surprise bag in here.
Oh, sige.
How can you cut it?
What is that?
It's so cool. A cannon! Look at me.
So hard to remove. Hindi ganito inailan to kaya hindi ko. Pause anay. Ay, hindi galit pwede mo. Oh, it's hard for this to remove.
You have to just cut that out.
Nung kuhain mo kamot, remove your hand tuto kay mapoko. Cute no, namit ka. Nice. Ito iba. See, I told you. Diba, I told you on Christmas you will have a gift. Hindi, bibi ko, mo kamot. Ano na siya? Oh, he is released. That's Vlad. Si Vlad na?
Yes.
Who is older, Vlad or Nikki?
Vlad, because he's the oldest boy.
Oldest boy in Earth?
Yes, he's the oldest.
Okay.
See?
Oh, he can also ride here, in here. Shown here, oh. He can also ride here. 2-in-1 toy.
Can you turn it into a helicopter?
It will turn into a helicopter, gabi?
Yes, it can.
Wow, nice po. I like this one.
How can you get these out?
Mini copter detaches from the drone. You can detach this, oh. You can detach this. This one you can. Do you need to remove this?
Yes.
Baby. Under pa. Wow, it's nice. See, you don't like it pa?
No, I like it.
Nice. Oh, there is a helicopter. Wow, it's nice. Show.
Wow, we found the helicopter. Boom.
See?
We can drive in it.
No.
It has
Wow,
wheels.
nice.
Look, it has wheels and it can boom. You can put it back in the boom that you want.
Okay. Nah, this one.
But we can put him here.
Nah, like that. You put him here. Let him sit down.
No, there.
No, see?
No.
It's not how. Ah, yeah, like that. See, it's nice. Cool. Love it. Oh, see?
Has wheels.
Oh, so you play your toys, huh? Don't lose any piece of that. Because you will say, Mommy, where is the helicopter? Where is the... What's the other one that's inside the surprise bag? Oh, there, oh. Mommy, where is the surprise? Mommy, where is the helicopter? Mommy, where is Vlad? Oh. You should be responsible of your toys.
Okay.
The sticker is already, ano na, remove na.
Put flat drive and flat car. Eraser. Eraser car.
Say, Daddy, thank you for the gift. Oh, gotta go to Daddy. Daddy, I'm so happy of my gift. Go. Post ka na yung review. Okay, I'm so happy. And then go na.
Erin got a yellow race car.
Sige na, close na yung ano.